I'm sure that you've all experienced a creative block more than a few times in your life. I'm currently going through one. It can be extremely inconvenient and frustrating to deal with. I've found through my experience that the best way to deal with this sort of thing is to just go out and force yourself to make something, even if you're certain that the final product is going to suck. So the first thing you need to do is figure out which general direction you want to go in. If you don't do this, you're probably going to end up being paralyzed by having too many options available to you. Since I've been listening to a lot of Russ and Kendrick Lamar recently, I'm going to aim to create something with that sort of vibe that I could hear either of those artists on. To jumpstart my creative process, I'm going to go to looperman.com and check out their piano loops. I found this Rhodes loop that fits the vibe that we're looking for. Let's drag this loop into the playlist. I'm going to copy it and see if it loops properly. Okay, perfect. Let's add the kick drum. I'm gonna add a snap perk. Time for the snare. I'm gonna add some hats. I changed some of the notes that I played into rolls. I laid down these keys in Omnisphere to play over top of the sample loop in order to fill it out a little bit. I added this custom 808 from my Contact library. Let's add a triangle. Let's add some bells. I pulled up a pad in Omnisphere and I played these notes. And finally, I laid down a cymbal. I think what we've got now sounds pretty decent. Now it's time to arrange. I'm gonna also write some lyrics and spit some random bars over this thing. Let's see how it sounds.
I got a lot up on my plate, won't stop me from being great. Show me love or show me hate, don't give a fuck, just don't be fake. Heard you wanna be the best, by your shit I'm unimpressed. That's the point I wanna stress, y'all should quit, man, I confess. My passion, I do this alone, making a record produced in my home. Jealousy eat you right through to the bone, people looked at me like who would've known. Ay, failing was never my plan, ay, deep in the cuck of the band, ay, you just a regular fan, ay, I wanna say what they can't say, you know me better than I know. Killed that mic as soon as I could flow. Sleeping on me while you acting woke. I just blaze them while I pack the bowl. Bitch, I'm ill enough to kill the scene. Give me head to get the guillotine. Still a genius with the meanest flow, the keenest. Cope with demons, still a